Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix PS5 stuck on putting your PS5 into rest mode. So, the first thing we need do now is to hold the power button of the PS5 for about 10 to 20 seconds until it turn off completely. If it still doesn't turn off, then unplug the power cord and remove any disk or USB peripheral. Normally, I don't recommend doing this while your PS5 is on. But we have no other choice. After unplugging the power cord, wait for about 5 to 10 minutes, then reconnect the power cord and restart your PS5. It will check to see if it is corrupt when you switch it on again, and everything will be okay. There are many reasons why your PS5 cannot turn off normally. Most of these reasons are software-related issues and they're easy to fix with the two methods above. But sometimes it's something related to the hard drive or CPU that needs to repair or replace. So, before you leave, know this: if the problem still shows up on the next PS5 shutdown, then come back here and try the following methods until you make sure your issue is resolved. Method 1. Update your PS5 system software. Maybe the version of your PS5 system software is out of date. Outdated versions can be problematic, and it's wise to resolve the issue sooner rather than later. Just go to Settings. Go to System. Select System Software. Select System Software Update and Settings. Select Update System Software. Select Update using Internet. This option will prompt your system to check for the latest firmware version. If you do not have the latest version, it will be downloaded to your system. Method 2. Check the PS5 hard drive. Your PS5 console also needs a certain portion of the hard drive kept free to act as virtual memory, where it stores data while the RAM clears. A hard drive that's too full can slow down your PS5 system, causing freezes and crashes. It can also result in the PS5 not turning off. So, make sure your hard drive has from 10 to 20% of their storage capacity to be free in order to operate flawlessly at maximum performance. Method 3. Rebuilding the PS5 database. To do this, you'll need to boot your PS5 into safe mode. Turn off your PS5 by holding down the power button for a few seconds until it beeps twice and goes off. Once it's turned off, press and hold the power button again until you hear 2 beeps. Now connect the PS5 controller with a USB cable. After that, press the PlayStation button present on the controller. The PlayStation will now be in the safe mode. Go to Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Now, select Rebuild Database. The PS5 will start rebuilding the database, and this process can take a few hours. Most of the time, this method will help you to fix this problem. Method 4. Clean a PS5. This is what we all dread, but eventually must face. With everyday use, more and more dust will settle on your PS5, both outside and within. And as it accumulates, the performance of the console will suffer, overheating and cause unexpected problems. So, please clean it both outside and inside. If you don't know how to do it, please refer to YouTube or other websites. One day soon, I will make this tutorial and I will update it in the description of the video. If you can't do this yourself, take your PS5 to a PS5 repair shop and have them clean and check the hardware for you. There will be a fee, of course, depending on the situation your PS5 health. Finally, factory reset the PS5. This is a last resort effort to ensure the functionality of the system will work properly. And make sure to back up any saved data you may have before starting the reset process. That's it guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.